Over the years, permaculture has gained a lot of notoriety, and since the 70s, the movement has really begun picking up and defining itself. And the reason why permaculture itself, as a design system or design science or design philosophy, however you want to define it, has been picking up and has been really taking presence is because it isn't a technique, much like biodynamic farming is a set of techniques that is used in agriculture, or organic agriculture is another set of techniques that is used in agriculture. What's interesting about permaculture is really because it is a design framework, it can be applied to architecture. As you see, passive solar homes that are built and don't require heating, even in these Canadian northern climates. You can see homes and buildings and office buildings that don't require air conditioning, as you can see in the Oasis Hotel in Singapore. So the idea of applying observation-based design even to construction is something that brings it to a whole new realm. We also see it in natural building, using materials that are, first of all, the original building materials, and some of the oldest, or the oldest building on Earth today is actually still built out of mud bricks and is still standing. There's technology applications for even using natural patterns to design circuitry and to design actual subway maps. They used an experiment with mycelium. And by positioning food sources at all of the locations where they wanted to have metro access, they then allowed the fungi to grow mycelium out to connect to those points and create the best traffic routes. So there's all kinds of different ways where observation of nature and mimicking of nature is proving to be able to increase our architectural efficiency, increase our business design capacities for better social and productivity inside a business, better production of agriculture for regeneration of soil and producing higher nutrient density, better social systems. There's even financial permaculture programs out there, banks that exist and are built upon the principles of permaculture. So this is what really makes it something that is much more vast than an agricultural technique. It's not lasagna gardening or hugelkultur. These are techniques that have been developed with this mindset or with the observation of nature in mind, and therefore are used in permaculture, but really it is a system of design whereby we adapt and evolve these techniques to be able to meet the needs of our system and connect us back into that ecosystemic, efficient, ecological system.